Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe today. Today we're going to make Pyaaz ka paratha or onion paratha. Now this is one option which you can make when you're out of vegetables or you want to make something very quickly for dinner or lunch. This is super simple to make and the ingredients list is given in the description box below. So to make the paratha, I'm going to make the basic paratha dough, which is atta, salt and water. I'm going to gradually add some water and make a dough out of it. So the dough is ready. We're going to keep it aside and start with the stuffing. For that, I've got finely chopped onion, ginger, green chilies and coriander leaves in a bowl, into which I'm adding cumin seeds, coriander powder, red chili powder, a little bit of atta or whole wheat flour and salt to taste. Adding the atta will help in absorbing the excess moisture that the onions will release. So the stuffing is ready. Let's keep it aside. Now I've taken a peda of the dough. I'm going to dust it with some flour and just roll it out into a circle like this. Put the stuffing in the middle. And then we'll bring the edges together like we pleat a sari. Now I'm going to just press the sides between my fingers like this. Again dust it with some flour and then roll it out into a paratha. Make sure you do this gently. So our paratha is ready. We'll just put this on a tawa. Grease it with some ghee or oil. And then cook the paratha until it's golden from both sides. So you can see it's golden from the bottom. Now we'll just cook it from the other side as well and the paratha is ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.